Hi, hope your day is being so great. Do you want to have a sneak peek into a pharmaceutical plant and see how pharmaceutical solutions are produced? We will take you there in just a moment. Here is Dr.Ceutica tube and we will give you a simple dose of knowledge. Well, previously, we knew that pharmaceutical solutions offer numerous advantages via the various routes they can be administered through. We have also seen what goes into pharmaceutical solutions, or what are the excipients we use to formulate pharmaceutical solutions. I'll put links to the previous videos on pharmaceutical solutions in the description box below to watch them later if you feel to. Now, when it comes to preparing a pharmaceutical solution, it's quite simple and straightforward. We put the API with the other additives in a suitable solvent system and dissolve them. Or sometimes we might need to react two or more solutes with each other to have the version of the API we want to use. In other cases, we might do some other steps before getting into the dissolution one, depending on the type of the solution, as we will see with the syrups next. Yet in both cases, whether we have all ingredients ready or we need to do some steps first, the only necessary equipment is suitable mixing vessel and a filtration system. All ingredients are added to the solvent in the mixing vessel and mixed until a solution is formed or the solution is complete. Sometimes heat is applied to enhance the dissolution, if it's a better option than reducing the particle size of the solutes or subjecting the ingredients to vigorous mixing, which are all techniques to hasten or enhancing dissolution. An important thing to consider is whether there are any volatile or thermolabile components that can be affected by the heat. If so, they should be added at the end of the process and after cooling to avoid any loss by evaporation or degradation. Now we have our solution ready and we are left only with the filtration to ensure clarity of the final solution. So, to cut the long story short, we put all things together to make the solution. This is referred to as simple solution technique for preparing pharmaceutical solutions. Sometimes we need to conduct a chemical reaction first, and this is preparation by chemical reaction. There is extraction, and it's more concerned with the Herbert principles. We're not getting into it here. But generally, these are the main three methods used for preparing pharmaceutical solutions. Now we will see a demo of how syrups, which are very commonly used solutions, are prepared in the next couple minutes. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with the friends you know they are interested in this topic. Don't forget to share your comments down below, and as always, stay fabulous wherever you are.